good seats, $130 tickets.
Nice. Where are we sitting?
I don't know.
Are we sitting next to you guys?
You're gonna see Jimmy's nose hair.
I love Jimmy.
No, we got the. You guys be nice here.
Where that is?
No, this is...
Dude, we're in orchestra too. These are literally legit tickets, man. Dude, these tickets are fucking center stage. What row?
Hey, we came down here on a mission, and it was come to Jimmy Buffett. And one, we got free parking. Right when we got free parking, we're like, dude, this is gonna be a fucking great night. So we ran into the Crown Royal vendors, and they're like, hey, we got 4 free tickets. They're worth $130. Since you guys are rad, you can have 4 of them for free. So now they give us our beer, their tickets, and hats for free. So Jimmy Buffett can only be that much cooler. So the best part about Jimmy Buffett concerts is they get wasted at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they go on the show, and we come and we scalp up on all their free booze and food. So that's what we're doing right now. We are at the Parrot party, getting free booze and food. Parrot party! Hey, look at that. Those guys know how to party in style. Filming, bro. Dude, that bus has a cake, dude. Go over there and be a cake stand. Grab your beers. Oh, fill them up in the red cups. Let's go. The buff man's on stage.
Buffett.
Ticket. Get your 1 ticket. One ticket. $130 ticket.
What is it?
It's a $130 ticket on Loge 2.
Damn it, dude! I got 3 people. $130 ticket. I won't find seats anywhere near the other guys.
Sorry, dude. That's all we got.
Yeah, it's cool, man.
1 ticket, man.
You want it? Oh, we got 3 tickets for $20. 3 tickets.
Roll up your sleeves when you talk to me, man.
Don't fucking tap me. Cheers, man. Take a drink.
Mazel tov.
Sorry. No to drugs. No to drugs.
Fucking legit.
You know
If you have a Super Bowl in the Ford
what
Fiesta.
you make it. Hey, slow down. Take a shot. Y'all nervous. I'll
Dude, I don't want to
Hey,
do
take
a
a
shot.
shot. What do you want, man?
I want the
Back
fucking
into your
cougar.
ankle. Bring it in. Bring me a hug. Give me a hug. Bring it in.
Right? Island style, baby.
I feel like I farted on your mom's face.
I want to see if this ticket's really real.
It's actually real.
It's real!
That motherfucker.
Oh, it's free beer?
No.
Wait.
Free beer.
Oh, man. Oh, $13 a beer? Fuck, why did we leave the parking lot? Finally made it in. Jimmy Buffett, and it smells like a whole lot of weed. I think it's good on the front. Let's go on the front.
You can drink some beer down there, or you'll have to cheer down there. Pass another year down there. Jimmy got caught smoking a joint out of a high. Out there, some people in this crowd got high. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go in the well, after this show, what are we supposed to do? Oh, I don't really get drunk and screwed. I feel like going surfing. I feel like going surfing. Cheese butter is paradise.
He's doing a good time here at Jimmy Buffett. Tonight's a wrap. Jimmy Buffett's been rad.
We're Pumas! We're Pumas, not Cougars! We're Pumas, not Cougars!
Cougars, man, a drum roll.
You guys couldn't handle us, sorry.
I can handle you, fucking
You have no idea just how old I am. You think I'm 12?
No, you're probably 16.
You think so?
Yeah, because I have an 18-year-old son, so
Yeah,
I pretty
I
much
fuck more
know
girls
how
than
to do
that.
it. You win.
Good night,
But
alright?
if I took my
Tell them why there's tell them why there's only one reason why they come to a Jimmy Buffett concert.
Why do they come to
to
Jimmy
see
Buffett?
you boys, of
Come
course!
here and have fun today, bro.
You gotta get down. Get out.
Hey, get out that car.